Import document from the design library, subsection toolbox, needed now. After loading, select the item containing the thread, maybe some bolts. Including left mouse button, drag on the operation field and release. Okay, select the place of release. From the drop-down menu Insert, go to sub-menu Annotation and activate the command Cosmetic Thread. After that, point the edge and adjust the thread. Inch, machine, and other property, and OK. Save. In assembly document, go to box, select item containing the thread, closing and left mouse button, drag on the operation field and release. Waiting for the download. Configure component window to set the display properties of the thread. That property thread display. Simply field, cosmetic, or schematic, and OK. Cancel insert component. Create the new drawing document. Waiting please some second. OK, format, select the part picture and double click left mouse button. On the drawing is displayed with the image detail of the thread. No, that. And close dialog. We have picture thread on the draw, and we have picture thread on the part, only picture, and we have picture thread on the assembly. Their view is schematic, haven't thread, only schematic thread.